If Lucidchart is showing a service unavailable error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. We'll start with the most important check first, then move through browser fixes, extension troubleshooting, and the final fallback if the problem is temporary. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, check whether the problem is actually on Lucidchart's side. Before changing anything on your computer, open the official Lucid status page and look for any maintenance notices, outages, or degraded service alerts. If Lucidchart is down globally or in your region, there may be nothing wrong with your browser at all. In that case, the best move is simply to wait until service is restored. Next, test Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. This is one of the quickest ways to figure out whether the issue is being caused by stored browser data or an extension. Open a private window in your browser, sign in to Lucidchart, and try loading your document again. If it works in private mode, that usually means your normal browser session has a cache, cookie, or extension problem. If it still does not work, then the issue is more likely related to your network connection or a service outage. If private browsing works, the next step is to hard refresh and clear your browser cache. On the Lucidchart page, use Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac to force the page to reload completely. This can clear out temporary loading issues and fetch the newest version of the site. If that still does not solve it, go into your browser settings, find Privacy and Security, and open Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. Set the time range to all time, then clear the data and restart your browser. Corrupted cache files and stale cookies are a very common reason web apps fail to load correctly. After that, check your browser extensions. Ad blockers, pop-up blockers, script blockers, and strict privacy tools can interfere with Lucidchart's loading process. Try disabling your extensions one at a time, then refresh Lucidchart after each change. This helps you identify the exact extension causing the conflict. If you find one that fixes the issue, keep it disabled for Lucidchart or add the site to the extensions allow list. If none of those steps work, give it a little time. Sometimes the best fix is simply waiting 10 to 15 minutes, especially if Lucidchart is experiencing a temporary server-side cooldown or partial outage. Then try again once the service stabilizes. So to quickly recap, check the Lucid status page, test in an incognito window, clear your cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and if needed, wait a few minutes before trying again. Those steps solve most Lucidchart service unavailable issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, app fixes, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.